When you see a clock, what does it represent? Maybe it's the passage of time. Maybe it's a moment you've seized or missed. Maybe it's a moment you've been waiting for. No matter the perception, it's clear that a clock is so much more than numbers, hands, and dials. And like most things, there's even more beyond the surface. Inside every clock is a complex working of gears and springs, of pushes and pulls, pressure and tension, all moving in unison, each tiny piece serving a greater purpose. But gears moving alone, gears without connection, have limited potential. The same is true for all of us. And so, God brings us together in the fullness of time to demonstrate the links within His kingdom. Our part may be a mystery until all the gears come together. Every conversation, every interaction, every gathering is a chance to seize this moment, to discover what He has planned for us, to envision impact beyond our limited perspectives. In this current time, in this moment, what visions are we compelled to pursue? What connections are we about to make? What platforms are we called to steward? What is God inviting us to put into motion for such a time as this?